Some courses inside CodeGrade are paid courses, which means that before you can actually start using CodeGrade or hand in your submissions, you'll have to pay. It's very easy to do that, and you can do that using the secure and easy checkout screen inside CodeGrade. This video I'll show you how you can do that for your course, so you can enroll in a paid course. First, we have to navigate to any assignment in this course. This can be through your learning management system. In this case, I am using Canvas right here, but you can use Brightspace, Blackboard, Moodle, or you can do that from directly inside CodeGrade. So let me navigate to this assignment right here. And as you can see, instead of the regular CodeGrade handing in screen, I now only get the checkout button. Clicking on this checkout button will take us to the checkout screen. So let's do that right now. Sometimes it may happen though that after clicking this button, no screen will pop up. This is because pop-ups are disabled in your browser. This happens often in Safari, for instance. If you have that, just go to your browser settings and enable pop-ups for CodeGrade. So now we're at the checkout screen, where we can just fill in our details, press the button, and we are good to go. Before you do that though, make sure to confirm that everything is correct right here. So let me fill in my details. And now all we have to do is press pay right here to pay securely via CodeGrade. Of course, it's always possible to request a refund after you've paid. This is possible within 14 days after payment. So let's press on pay now. It will process it, and once it is done, we'll be taken back to CodeGrade right away. And directly we're taken back to CodeGrade, we're enrolled in the course, and we can start handing in to our assignment. You've also gotten a confirmation email from CodeGrade. Make sure to carefully save this email, as this is important data if you ever need support with your payment. In another video, I'll show you how you can refund your payment if you would like to do that. But for now, good luck with CodeGrade, and make sure to watch the rest of our videos to learn all there is to know about CodeGrade.